Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. As you see by the title of this video, it's going to be pretty simple. I'm just giving a quick tip or some quick tips on how to refresh your sew-in. We pay a lot of money on our sew-ins, so they should last as long as we want them to last. Now, I do believe that going to the salon is nice and being pampered, but I also am a diehard for saving money. So if you don't have to go to the salon every 2 weeks for maintenance and a touch-up, I don't find it necessary. You can save your $50 and do it at home. So with that being said, if you want to see that kind of thing, then please keep on watching. And if you like what you see, please subscribe and like and tell me what you think in the comments. And I hope to see you again. So yeah, that's my spiel before the video. All right. All right, guys. So I'm just starting off taking off my bonnet. I have not done something to my hair in quite a few days, so it's just all messed up. I'm taking out the ponytail, and I'm going to start finger detangling with my hands because, you know, I just want to reduce shedding and reduce any type of breakage that might come to the hair. So I'm just doing a quick finger detangle, just getting all the pieces. Next, I'm taking my index finger and I'm just digging around in my head for any loose tracks. So I'm taking my index finger and my thumb and I'm just yanking on my tracks to see if there's anything that feels particularly loose, because I want to sew those back in place. So you just yank around and feel for anything loose. Okay, and there's one right there. She's hanging pretty badly. Yeah, she needs to be fixed. I shouldn't be able to stick my finger through there like that. So yeah, I'm gonna re-sew her back. I'm just using orange thread because it's easier for you guys to see and because I could not find any other color. Please don't judge me. I'm just tacking her back. It won't show through and nobody has to know that I'm using orange thread. This is just so I can get a couple of more weeks or a week or two out of my sew-in. Don't judge my sewing job. I'm just tacking her back. She does not have to be perfect. So now I'm going to take a brush. Now that all of my everything is tacked back, I'm going to take a brush and actually brush it through and detangle it. I didn't want to brush it through before with loose tracks because they'd snag and that would just be a mess. Now I'm just going to take some wild growth oil. I absolutely love this stuff. And it's only, well, I got it on sale for $3.99. It's usually, I think, $5.99. Anyway, I'm just going to put some oil through the empty spaces in my hair. I know it's not necessarily efficient. If you'd like, you can take each part individually and do it, but I'm just putting it in the spaces for now. I'll do a better oiling job later. Then I want to get with my part. Try to make it straight once more. I'm not the best at parting, but hey, I'm trying my best. I just put some water and hairspray to try and really define the left side and right side of my part. My intention was to get it as flat as possible and get all the flyaways away and detangle the top, because sometimes the top of your head gets tangled up. So now I'm just taking a curling wand and flattening. Yeah, to try and define it just a little bit more.
It's not the best, but hey now. Now I'm going to separate the right side and left side of my parting space for now, because I'm going to work on the back of my head. Again, I'm taking my index finger and I'm splitting my hair in half by the part. I'm going to put one side away for now. I'm taking my index finger and I'm taking small parts of hair to work with, and then I put it away. I have this Cantu Revitalizer comeback curl stuff, but I also found that plain water works just as well. You just need some type of moisture and substance to get the hair to lay back down so that when you apply heat, it becomes tame and gets as straight as possible. Then I just put my flat iron right on top of that. I find that the comeback curl makes the curls a nice wavy, bouncy consistency. Then I'm just going to go ahead and keep doing that all over my head until I reach the front. I did not want the curls to be super tight. I just wanted them to be slightly wavy. Now I'm at the front. I did the other side off camera just for expediency. And now I'm just taking the front and I'm going to do the same thing until I get to the very, very edge. So I like to take the two front parts of my head and put them behind my ear. I really like the behind the ear look, and I also like to cover up my beady beads because I don't really like to put edge control on them, especially in this heat. It just doesn't really work for me, so I just cover my edges up instead of trying to spruce them and make them look some type of way. Now I'm just curling the other side. Yeah, after a little bit more sprucing, this is basically what I came up with. The difference between how my sew-in looked before and how it looks now is definitely apparent. It definitely doesn't look like a fresh install, but I will say that I gave this hair at least 2 more weeks of life by going through and tacking everything back, detangling, straightening and curling, and putting moisture inside the hair. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching. Give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Hold up.